We have talked about the pagination or the paginator. Okay, now we want to have this category, the pagination of this category, because we had this a list of articles, and we want to have the same for the categories. Okay, there are many things similar, like this home we have for this category. Many things are similar, like okay, I want to have this a page here, as the page will be 1 because it has the slug as well as the page number. Okay, so here instead of this true we have the same thing, and let's have, here we had the articles list. Okay, we have both the articles list and also the categories. Okay, we want to have the category, and the category will be like the same, this part. I want to cut this, and after this category we have this paginator. Okay, instead of this paginator, before paginator we want to have the articles. Okay, the articles or the articles list. Instead the articles will be like category dot, well, okay, let's have this from the category.html. okay, in the category.html we had here like this part. I want to have it here rather. Okay, now the paginator. Okay, in the paginator we have articles list. Okay, and after the paginator we have the articles. Okay, this part. Yes, I think it's good now. Okay, we have the category. So in this category here I have this part, and for the articles I have the, well, articles. This article is from here in this category, or this as from here. Okay, everything is great, or everything is now looks fine. Okay, let's see the URL. In the URL I want to copy this part, and we have here two things. Number one is like we have the category plus slug, and other part is also the page. Okay, the page will be I want to have integer as the page number. Okay, whatever the page number will be edited here. It is also completed. Now only one thing is left, this category.html. In category.html you have seen I have cut this part. Okay, so now I want to add this articles. Why this articles? This article as like I can see this part is, it is this part. You know why? Because the first of all we have the category and also the articles. The articles we have here, articles list, or this part. Okay, all the things are here gotten the same thing. Category dot articles dot published. So here is the articles. So the same thing we have here. Instead of that part we have the articles. Okay, it will loop over these articles. Now I think this is done from this part. Let's see the, well, okay, we have it here like the pagination buttons. Let's copy the home page, whatever we have this paginator. Okay, I want to copy this part, and I want to add it here, but a little changes we have here. For example, instead of this home we want to have category, and here we not only category as here, but also the, well, we have the articles list as well. Okay, we have the articles list as well as category dot slug. It is very clean. Okay, now let's see the server, as there is no error, and I want to refresh this. Let's see which. Okay, windows, one article, two article, three article. Okay, let's have it the windows here as well. I want to have the windows here, four article, and here also, because we had three articles in each page. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it should be in two pages. Now let's click on the windows category. Okay, 1 2 3. So there is next page. When I click on the next page, there is two articles. Okay, when I click on the previous, it will be again on the previous page. So it works fine, it works very nice. So in the next video, I think it's completed the category and all that. So in the next video, I'll talk about the class based views. So in the class based views, many things will be different and many things will be like easy. So we will see in the next video.